this video we will walk through troubleshooting the most common joystick used in trucks with PQ board controllers. This is a 4-function joystick, part number 400-0755. It controls topping up, topping down, boom rotation clockwise and counterclockwise, fly function in and out, and also boom extension in and out. The red deadman trigger, when squeezed, sends power from the electrical box to a deadman relay. These are wires 311 and 333. Wire 311 is 12 volts into the joystick and 333 is the 12-volt power out of the joystick when the deadman trigger is pressed. To test the joystick, set your voltmeter to read continuity, put one lead on wire 311 and the other on wire 333. When you squeeze the trigger on the joystick you should get continuity on the meter. Wires 307 and 308 carry power from the PQ board to the joystick for the other functions. Always measure voltage from these wires. Do not go to an outside voltage source or ground. Wires 310, 312, 313, and 314 are the signal wires from the joystick to the PQ boards. There are two types of PQ boards, 5-volt and 6-volt. The digit in the model number delineates whether you have a 5-volt or a 6-volt system. For example, the model number on the board would read 504 N5 for 5-volt, and N6 for a 6-volt board. Always use the same voltage PQ board, never mix voltages. That will cause dangerous erratic behavior of your boom functions. Measuring from wire number 307 to 308 you would measure either 5 volts or 6 volts depending on your system. If you measure from wires 307 or 308 in one of your signal wires, your meter will show half of your system voltage, either 2.5 volts, or 3 volts. That is with the joystick in neutral. When you move the joystick to call for a function, topping up, topping down, swing, extension or fly, you will get a voltage swing from 307 to 308. For example, if you measure between 307 and a signal wire, the voltage may go high when you move the joystick. Measuring from 308 and that same signal wire and moving the joystick in the same direction the voltage should go low. That is the voltage swing that controls your boom functions. If you move the joystick in the opposite direction, you should get the same voltages in the opposite direction. On your PQ boards you have LED lights. The LED indicates that a signal has been received from the joystick for the function of your boom that the PQ board controls.